Welcome back to Wealthy Reads. Today, we're reviewing the little book of Sideways Markets, How to Make Money in Markets That Go Nowhere by Vitaliy N. Katsenelson. If you've ever felt frustrated by stagnant markets, this book is a must-read. Vitaliy N. Katsenelson, an experienced investment manager, tackles the challenges of investing in sideways market periods when the market is neither rising nor falling significantly. He argues that traditional buy-and-hold strategies may not be effective in such environments and offers alternative approaches to generate returns. Katsenelson begins by explaining the concept of sideways markets and why they occur. He provides historical examples and data to show that these periods are more common than most investors realize. The book is filled with practical strategies designed to help you profit when the market seems stuck. One of the strengths of this book is its focus on active management. Katsenelson emphasizes the importance of being selective with your investments, focusing on quality companies that are undervalued and have strong fundamentals. He also discusses the importance of timing and the need to be patient when waiting for the right opportunities. The book also delves into the psychological aspects of investing in sideways markets. Katsenelson provides advice on how to stay disciplined and avoid the temptation to make impulsive decisions during periods of market stagnation. He argues that by staying focused and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can succeed even in challenging market conditions. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that the little book of Sideways Markets is a valuable resource for anyone looking to navigate stagnant markets with confidence. Whether you're a novice investor or someone with years of experience, Katsenelson's insights will help you make the most of any market environment. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealthy Reads, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts on this book in the comments below. Have you invested in a sideways market? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.